Lesson 14. Level B1. B1 plus. Present perfect simple. I have already. Story 1.
Sebastián, 37 years old, Spain. I'm such a pack rat. I have always loved collecting things, and I've had trouble getting rid of anything. Who knows, maybe I'll still need that never-worn shirt I bought 7 years ago? Or the vintage record player I found at a flea market in 2007? Anyway, my girlfriend Carla has recently convinced me to organize a garage sale to sell at least some of my stuff. We're doing it this weekend. I have already cleared out my closet and chosen the clothes that are suitable for sale. I've also selected a few things from the attic, including an old sewing machine and a guitar that I've never learned how to play. I've already announced the event online, and I've invited my neighbors and friends. Some of them have already confirmed their participation and said that they are excited about it. I've also made a huge sign that says garage sale, and I've already hung it on the kitchen window. I hope that people will see it and come.
Story 2.
Hannah, 35 years old, Hungary. Do you have any fun ideas for a Friday evening? I have already done everything that needed to be done today. In fact, I have already cooked dinner for tomorrow and planned my schedule for next week. I finally have some time just for myself. I really appreciate it because it doesn't happen often. The kids usually run around and make a lot of noise, so it's almost impossible to relax. Today is different than usual. My youngest daughter has already fallen asleep, and my sons have gone to the cinema for a movie marathon with my husband. My first idea was to simply log into some streaming platform and watch something, but I have already seen most of the new movies and series. I would call my best friend and invite her over, but she has already told me that she has other plans. I may just have a long bath, read a book, and enjoy the silence around me.
Story 3.
Valentina, 31 years old, Mexico. I'm throwing a surprise baby shower for my sister Carmen, who is currently 6 months pregnant. I know that she has dreamed of having this celebration ever since she got pregnant, but she hasn't been able to afford it. I asked 3 of her best friends for help a month ago, and we have all chipped in to pay for the party since then. We have already collected enough money, so I've already booked a room at Carmen's favorite restaurant for next Saturday. It has 2 rooms, so we will have separate space just for ourselves. My sister's friend Liliana loves all kinds of arts and crafts, so she is in charge of decorating the room. She has already planned the decorations and made most of them by hand. I've already ordered a cake from a small bakery, and the owner has offered to make some muffins as well. Of course, I have already picked out gifts for my sister and the baby. I'm sure that she'll love them.
The end of Lesson 14.